Hey Petty fam, what we all been waiting for, the 26th, the birthday vlog from the royal family. Let's get into it. Happy birthday again, Queen.
Day to my sister.
Sing it, boy.
You want these on naked?
It's the royal family. It's the royal family.
What's up, y'all? What's up, royal family? It's your boy Clarence NYC. Welcome back. You know what I'm saying, to the channel, to the royal family. I know it's been a while, y'all. Let me turn this down for y'all. Alright, y'all. I know it's been a while on the royal family channel. I know it's really been a little minute, you know what I'm saying? But we've been working, just getting ready for certain things, you know what I'm saying? Things is about to turn up with Queen going on tour and everything, so things about to just get hectic, so we've been getting ready for that. But today is the Queen's birthday, you know what I'm saying? My Queen's birthday. We about to make sure that it's a special night, you know what I'm saying? I'm tired, y'all. When I say I'm tired, I'm drained. I done been running around for 3 days straight just trying to make shit happen. Shout out to everybody that helped me, Lee, Beast, everybody that just helped me. Shout out to them, most importantly. But yeah, it's the Queen's birthday, you know what I'm saying? I did a few things. I'm actually on my way to the show right now. All right, so let me backtrack real quick. So today's Queen's birthday, but today is also Queen's first performance on tour. So that's what's been real difficult about this year's birthday. Is that this is the first birthday that she has a show on. Like, she has a show on her birthday. Literally, I'm heading there and I'm going to attend the show first, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna turn up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're gonna just have fun. She leaves literally a couple hours after her show is over, so it's not much that we can do. But I'm also gonna make sure I'm on a couple of those tour days. I'm gonna make sure I make a couple of those, especially on the East Coast, because I can just fly right back and, you know what I'm saying, still do what I gotta do. But yeah, we're about to head to the show. I'm definitely gonna get some footage for y'all, like backstage, I guess you want to call it, and during her performance. And then I'm definitely gonna get footage of after. You know what I'm saying? I got a little surprise for her. You know what I'm saying? You know, I always gotta do something to make her feel like special and make her feel like loved. And you know, I just always gotta. I just feel like it's so important. You know what I'm saying? Especially to someone like, I don't know, like Queen, you know what I'm saying? Like me and Queen, like we don't get, like, we don't really get gifts, like, unless we get it for each other, you know what I mean? Like, there's really no one in our life that's really like getting us gifts, you know what I'm saying? We're usually the gift givers. And sorry if I'm like rambling all over the place, but I'm literally like, I'm rushing. I picked any outfit, y'all would be proud of me, just so I won't be late. I do not want to miss this. I cannot be late for this, you know what I'm saying? So before I crash this car, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna call you guys. I said call you guys. I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get there and when I get inside. So I'll holla at y'all. Love y'all. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Make sure y'all leave a comment, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Most importantly, let's go. Happy birthday, Queen. Everybody spam happy birthday, Queen, in the comments. Just smother her with love, you know what I'm saying? That's the point of today. But I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there.
We did for her birthday.
What's up, y'all? Today is Queen's birthday. It means so much to all of us. One time I want to sing happy birthday. I want everybody in here. Whoa, Trey. I'm in, Trey.
Her brother. You know she.
Day to my sister. Alright, listen. Clarence.
You know what? She sings happy birthday to all her friends and all that stuff. So it's so good to see her having her brother serenade her for her birthday. It's so cute. Don't leave.
A really big surprise for Queen out. So I don't know how you doing this. So meet us outside, y'all.
That was crazy.
The bags is getting bigger, man. The box is getting bigger.
He ate the oranges already?
Big.
Big. Go take it.
Oh, it's an egg. Okay.
Ow, queen.
You know I'm one drippy individual.
I was looking at
Put the camera on me real quick. I'm
Ow.
one drippy individual, you know what I'm saying? So you know I gotta get my girl right. The Jeep is like what she wanted, and like the drip is like, you know. it's like
Oh,
what
I know that's
before.
comfortable. I can't wait for her to wear it on tour. Yeah, that'd be cute with one of them tour outfits. It's gonna be comfortable too, girl. Yeah.
You want to see on naked?
Queen.
That's your vibe for sure.
Bottega and booty. Booty Bottega.
You like him?
I love it. No, Mitch sent these to me. He said good things. I said that too.
The purple ones? The purple ones?
Yes,
Hashtag
exactly.
Mitch
Yeah.
don't miss.
I was like, no, they too much. Get up. And look.
Yeah.
Nah, that's a great gift, you know?
Yeah, those is hard.
Hold on. See, they all on.
Fire.
Wow.
Put some like leggings on or something.
Leggings,
Or, like,
please?
a crazy jacket or like some.
That jumpsuit, one of them jumpsuits.
The cookies? Are these big on me? What size are these? 37? No, because when I wear socks.
Those is tough.
Yeah.
Those is tough.
They look good on me?
Those is tough. Do well.
Take those with you.
No, I am. I have to. Because he has a dress to match it.
Ah.
That's why he told me to get it.
Oh, cool. Y'all,
Such a gentleman.
which stop you think she gonna wear those at? Let me know. Ooh.
Ooh,
This is your first key. Open it after you open it.
I can. Thank you. Is this
Ow.
how I look? Like clutch?
Damn.
I always wanted a wallet.
And it zips up so you don't
He
gotta-
want a wallet. Give him a wallet.
I'm not gonna lose it. You gonna get a wallet.
That's why I got you like that.
No, I want a Naruto wallet.
Someone stole it.
What up? Naruto
Stole it. I'll make
wallet.
sure nobody steal it.
Mommy,
They stole it. I'm gonna get you a Naruto wallet. Put some money in there.
you'll give me some money in there.
You gotta work for it though, okay?
Okay. For chores.
Yep, you gotta do some chores.
No shot at you.
Or his birthday.
Trying to be mad selfish with this.
That's huge.
Yeah, I know he's trying to be selfish.
That box bigger than her.
You could put him in that chair and he'll eat it.
Mommy, can you buy this?
Hold on, baby. Let me finish opening my stuff, okay? And then I got you.
DJ, hold on.
What is it? Ah.
Oh my god.
What
This
is
the one I
it?
wanted.
I know, I'm gonna get ready to listen.
Oh, that's
shit.
cute, girl.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yes.
I was gonna get you the pink one to go to sleep, but they didn't have it.
Can we see inside?
No, that's
Listen,
cute. That's
It's got paper in there, but
nice.
Sorry, you get your.
That's nice. Prada, 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 Prada.
I don't know which one I like better.
It's not done.
Oh, he said he not
Drip is
done. He ready.
Sorry, I feel like Legend was
But he's sweating. Claire sweating.
Legend gets excited, he squeezes his little body together. Oh my goodness.
That's a huge box.
Boyfriends across the nation are panicking. I'm doing
Like I said,
All them orange orange
I would never do
boxes,
this
Man,
orange
honestly,
I would never do this
Louis
myself.
boxes,
For me to do this, I would
It's alright, we're gonna do
orange
videos.
Louis boxes.
Well, I'm gonna do videos. We're gonna get it right back. Yo, meeting in my bed is stuck in my head.
Uh-oh.
meeting in our bed. I gotta go.
I gotta go right now.
Is this the duffel? Oh my goodness.
Ow! Louis Vuitton. What that is hold on, y'all. That is perfect for her tour. He was thinking ahead, because she can bring that on tour. Perfect. And a Prada and all the stuff. You can wear all that drip on tour, baby girl.
Thank you.
Oh.
My Louis blanket and my Louis.
It's so tough. It's tough. The drip is severe.
Like,
Drip is
Where
severe.
you from, dude? Where you from?
From New York.
New York. New York. Concrete jungle with dreams on my
You can get your travel on in style. You know what I mean?
Aww, did you hear CJ? Mommy, you're 26.
yes, I do. I feel
Oh, damn. I'm over here picking the wrong thing.
like
It's like what? Like, come on.
I feel
I hope you feel it.
Opening and opening and opening.
Difficult sometimes,
Difficult. Aww.
She doesn't even know the panic.
but keep on traveling.
Oh my god.
What, is that luggage? No, I think that's rolling luggage, y'all.
Just keep
Yeah,
on
I think that's
traveling.
rolling luggage.
You already know what it is.
Yes, baby.
Oh my goodness. It
Get
has
that.
my initials on it.
Get that.
Ah.
Get that cute N on it. Cute N. So it's hers for sure.
Don't y'all steal
can't
her
steal it.
stuff.
Put your name on it if it's
Don't
real.
y'all steal her stuff. It got her name on it. Yes, queen. That's pretty, girl.
I can see you. Really.
Yes. He got her straight for her tour now. She got all the stuff she need to pack for her tour. Oh, yes, girl.
The duffel.
Yes.
Blanket duffel.
Right. Rolling.
What am I doing?
That's all.
Doing very f***ing well. Very well.
You like that?
Doing very well. That is so nice.
I'm literally like,
And you know what you're doing because it's getting better. You know what you're doing.
It's good. They're not 70.
He always do this though.
Getting
Like
better
he
as they
always
open it. Gets
he always escalates it up. Like, you know, he's like, it's not finished. It's some more. He was like, oh, you thought the duffel was something. Let's do the rolling luggage. Picture her rolling. Picture her rolling.
Better.
No, that is mean. That is tough. Mean and clean. Like, listen.
oh my goodness, this is so dope. It go all 4 ways.
Yeah, girl.
No, because some of them you have to drag
Right.
like Lee's.
You gotta see the way it moves. Just
You gotta drag.
like this. Just kind of
Yeah, your thing ain't gonna fall over.
Oh my goodness.
You can run with that Joan.
One at this.
cute and quality nigga. It's fire. That is really
What?
Yo,
What?
honestly, I don't know what this is.
He don't remember what it is.
I don't know what this is.
That's
I
when you
got
got.
some
That's when you knew you went OD. When you got so much stuff you can't even remember what it was, and you just got it.
I don't know.
we're gonna
Let's
to
see.
see right now.
We're gonna see. Yeah, I don't know.
Look, everybody gonna be surprised.
Really love
I think we gotta open this to the side.
Yeah, you got it. It's gonna fall on you.
Oh man, I think this is.
What is that? Another duffel? It's huge, whatever it is.
No, I think this is these. This from Lee. I don't know.
So wait, Lee.
What is
So I got
that?
2 of these.
That's from Lee. I think. Yeah. Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, okay. So sizes.
Oh, it's another duffel.
Wow.
This one.
Girl.
It's a lot of Louis V on the road, man.
Ow.
That's I gotta shout. I gotta because this is for me. This is definitely for me.
Thank you,
Right
Lee.
here. Lee's not here right now. She's busy packing, but I
I
forgot
have
she
to
did
put my
a gift in
suitcase
it.
back in my thing.
You are amazing.
Yeah.
She got you
That's
the big boy.
huge.
She got you the big boy. Big boy. So you're all set for travel. When you come for travel, you're all set.
I'm not checking those. I
No.
Carry on.
carry on.
Yeah, girl. Carry that with you.
What?
What did he say?
You probably use it, right?
Yeah,
Put it back.
I'm gonna use
You want to
it.
still take the picture?
Yes, I need to do the picture.
That's crazy.
Wow.
Two duffels, two sets. She don't have to.
Brat. I'm not brat. I'm very humble. Right?
She don't need to. She be all Louis'd out. She gonna be all Louis'd out with a Prada bag, okay? Ready for tour, traveling for cities.
I love it. I love everything.
Oh yeah, so Queen is literally packing. She's
Oh
about
my
to leave
gosh.
in like an
That's a
hour.
lot. First of all, Queen, let's give Queen her props because she did a full show, the meet and greet. Then she stayed like singing, dancing, all that on the stage, okay, on her birthday. Then she had to come back and pack, well, open all her big old presents, and then pack and then go. Come on, I know you tired, you sleepy, girl, but I'm glad you got all your gifts and people appreciate you. Feel your love
hour,
and
like right now,
appreciation.
yeah. It's already 2:30.
Aw, now
I'm
she don't
winded,
want to
yeah.
leave.
I'm tired. Yeah.
I'm tired. You did a good job, Claire. Put in work for Queen. Got her all the nice stuff to prepare her for her tour.
Birthday.
I had an amazing, phenomenal birthday. It's not just about the gifts either. I mean, I had pumpkins. My gifts. I want to just hold on. Especially my blanket. I love my blanket. The suitcase, exactly what I wanted. I've been saying I wanted luggage for so long, but I didn't want to buy it.
Try to get you everything you want. I knew you wanted that Prada bag. I heard you on the phone.
You was snooping through my conversation.
I heard you on the phone. You was about to buy it for preview. You said, "Oh, that looks nice,"
yeah,
but then I
yeah.
was like, "How was that?"
You was listening.
Oh, Claire.
Jeep, I've listened because I didn't want to listen at first, but I listened.
Hey, as long as you give me what I want, it's not about. Why? What did you want?
It's not about what I want. I just felt like you. I don't know. I thought
Well, to be honest, I mean,
the
I
Tesla
would've-
was like.
I would have loved anything you got
I like the
me.
Jeep now though. Now that I got it, like it's cool.
I would have loved anything you got me, but I really like. You know how I feel about. You know how I feel about. How I feel about Jeeps and sport cars. Not sport cars. Was it like was it
Trucks. Sure.
Jeeps and what's the Challengers? Like I love. You always think that I'm like basic. Not basic for that,
Not
but
basic,
like
but like Challenger.
I like it. I can't help
Try
it.
the Jeep is cool. You look better in
She like what she like.
the Jeep than the Challenger.
I know. I love the Jeep. The Jeep gives me like Barbie. I'm a Barbie.
Yeah, like girl vibes. Every time I see a Jeep a lot now.
And I could just do so many with it. I love sitting high, sweet things with it.
Do you plan on wrapping the car?
Yes. I really want to wrap it.
Just please be careful. I
I
would have wrapped it.
know.
I would have wrapped it for you. I'm telling you, but it's gonna make you a target.
I know. I
And
don't want
when
to
you
be.
by yourself and all of that, it's gonna,
And I'm also
no
thinking
one's
like,
riding around in a Jeep whole color, like, you know, like a whole pink Jeep, a whole.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I mean? Like, you gotta.
That's true.
Be careful.
I know.
There's a lot of white Jeeps out here. That's why, like, I'm trying to keep it like.
I mean, I could do my tinted
Cool,
windows still.
but normal.
Yeah, I know. It's like I want to do it though.
Those windows are tinted.
Jada.
Those windows are tinted.
They are. You can.
Yeah.
I guess I couldn't tell because it was nighttime.
Yeah.
But that's what they did to Jada.
No, I know. That's why I don't want that to happen.
Yeah.
Make it a whole
Safety first, girl.
ink or whole thing, like make it crazy obvious.
Custom.
I've never seen, I always see white, black, or gray
yellow.
Jeeps.
Yellow.
Gray.
Gray? I gotta get something else.
Alright, y'all, so Queen's leaving.
Oh.
I'm gonna see you though. I'm gonna make it on a few.
Oh.
Few?
Dates.
Okay.
You gotta let me know what dates.
You gotta let me know what
No,
dates.
you let me
so
know.
close, baby, my face.
Nah, you're not though.
Love you.
Let me see. You guys be safe.
Don't catch a cold, okay? Cause you.
Yeah, I know I gotta take that one. Alright, yeah.
All right. Bye bye.
A5.
Bye, Leggy.
A5, see you. Alright, yeah. Y'all be safe.
Bye bye.
Alright, Momo. That's it. Love you.
Y'all. Look, Queendom do not play. Please. Don't make us run up on you like this.
Oh shit! Hey yo! Excuse me.
That's crazy.
My bad. What's up, Mike? Yo, what's good, gang?
Hey, Beast.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Let's go!
Oh, look at them.
All right.
She's so excited.
Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Yo, Mark got me crying.
Look at him. Look at him. Look, Maya got the good footage. Oh, she's so happy.
Yo.
Look, her windows really are tinted because I can't see nothing.
Hey, yo. Oh, shit, Erica.
All I see her is sparkling.
Let's go, Queen.
Let's go, Queen. I see them Louis boxes though.
Hey, yo.
Okay, now to get back up in her corner.
I know, like how she gonna get out?
You know Freddie gotta get the shot though.
Oh, Freddie, ATL. Oh, look at those little lights, like birthday candles. Beast. Beast and his friends is doing the thing because there's a lot of people out there. Oh, I didn't see that part.
birthday, Clare!
I see.
Hey, Clare! Hey, Clare!
Let's go, y'all. What's good?
Hey, Clare, hey, Lee, Brains.
Yo, Patty,
Hey, Rod.
Yeah, nobody in there.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad. Thank you, Royal Family. And also, we are going hard for the American Music Awards. Congratulations, Queen, for being nominated. Our girl put something in one of our posts to tell you the schedule. Remember to adhere to the schedule and let's get our girl up there.